Hello everyone, make two ponytails and then take remaining hairs and do it as shown in the video. Now make it into a fishtail, make a cute little bun out of it, accessorize it, it's done. For the next one in the video, make 3 sections out of your hairs. Now take the bow and attach to it and start making braid out of it as it is shown in the video. It will look like this. Attach it to the ponytails, braid it nicely, roll it and it's all done. For the next one in the video, take the front portion of your hair and make 2 braids out of it. Now take side portion, make a braid out of it and start attaching the braids as shown in the video. Attach it all together and it's done. For the next one, make 3 sections out of your hair. Now take the middle one and start making the braids out of it as shown in the video. Tie it with the rubber band very nicely and gently and it's all done. For the next one, take the front portion of your hair and tie it with the rubber band. Now repeat the process on both the sides. Now start braiding your hairs very nicely as it will look like this. Tie it with a ponytail, it's done. For this one, make your hairs into the ponytail and then take a rubber band. Start rolling your rubber band around the ponytail and then attach it on the top and it's all done. For the next one, take the ponytail and attach the bow to it. Now make 3 sections out of it and braid it nicely and gently with the help of your hairs and tie it on the bottom with the help of a rubber band. It's done. For this one, make a ponytail and with the help of a bun stick, start making a cute little bun on the top and then attach it nicely and it's all done. Thanks for watching.